Alright YouTube, I got an unboxing for you today. Our package today came from Barber Supply. I ordered the shaver. I've been using it already for a cool minute, but the shaver that I got is the Foil FX 02s. You'll see in here. It's the silver one. It's by BabyLiss Pro. They have the Foil FX 02 and the Foil FX 01. I went for the Foil FX 02 simply because I've seen reviews about it that it's the better one out of the two. The shaver that I've been recently using, or that I've been using for the most part, is the Andy shaver. Before the Andy shaver, I even had some random Panasonic shaver that I found on Amazon for like $12. I'll look for it, and if I find it, I'll put a picture of it up top. But yeah, the shaver is very similar to the Andy shaver, the Pro Foil, in that it has the two foil shavers. But this one, it comes in the metal housing, which you'll see once I open it. I believe the shaver itself has the 2 to 3 hour runtime. You just need to, once you get it out the box, the first thing you got to do is just charge it fully, and then you can use it then. So that's the charger, and the shaver is right here. You'll see here like how it is, like it's so bright and so shiny, but you'll also see how it's very easily, like it can easily get dirty. So there it is. It comes with the little cap. On each side there's a power on button, and then there's another button that takes off the shaver part, and that's so you can clean it out and get rid of any hair, any stubble that's in there. So another thing that it also comes with its own bag. That way you can place it in there when you're going somewhere traveling. And then inside the bag you also see a little brush. The brush is used to clean the inside of it when you pop it open. That way you can remove all the hair nicely. You can also get yourself like an air duster. Not an air duster, sorry, a compressed air bottle. That way you could just brush off all the air instead of using the actual brush, or also you could blow it out, but the brush is there for you to use it. But yeah, this is what I was talking about, how it can easily get dirty. So the fingerprints here, like barely touching it, you can already see the fingerprints being left. So that's one thing that might be annoying me, but like I said, I've been using it already and it's been working really well. Another thing too is like it's way heavier, or not way heavier, but it's more heavy duty than the Andy shaver, and you could feel it like right when you're carrying it. But that's the shaver right there. You also got to be careful too with the cap, because it goes in a certain way. You can't put it in either way. It's in one direction. So that's the button right there. That round button is to remove the top off, and the square button on the side is the power on button. So you just have to slide it up. And the shavers here, it's very similar to the Andes, like I said, so maybe even replacing, I don't know. I'm not actually too sure on how to replace them, but it seems like it's the same as the Andes one. You gotta pop them off, but I'm not too sure on that, so don't try it. So that's the shaver, that's the power on button right now. Oh, you'll hear it right now once I turn it on. So yeah, it's pretty. That's the unboxing. When you're charging it, you'll know it's charging because it has the blue light at the bottom, and that little blue light is just blinking. And when it's blinking, it's because it's charging. So once it stops blinking and it's just the light itself, then you'll know it's fully charged. And then after that, it'll run you for 3 hours. what I've been doing though, like once I'm done using it for the day, I'll just go back and plug it in, charge it, and then unplug it once it's all good. Yeah. Thank you for watching the video. My next video, hopefully, I did another self-cut where I cut my own hair. My first video on this channel was actually a self-cut, but it failed because I ran out of memory space. But this one, I was able to capture the whole thing. I'll also do a voiceover on the haircut. That way you can see how it is that I cut my own hair if you want to give it a shot at cutting your own hair as well. Yeah. Thank you for watching.